Hi everyone, so today we're going to be playing Tower of Hell. So we can't use the mouse, so yeah. Anyways, let's go. Okay. I haven't played Roblox in like a long time now, so like, sorry I moved my butt. Okay. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, this is a new stage because I haven't been playing Tower of Hell for a long time now, so like, I've been playing new games lately, so like, it's just, oh, what else? Oh shit. Okay, so I think we'll go here, I guess. Oh. Okay, I forgot. I think this trail is a little bit, shush. I don't really want to click the too long because I think that will just make it. Oh, there's a. I don't really want to put the tape on right now. Okay. Boop, boop, I died. So, like, okay. This is frustrating. Okay, so, what should I do? Oh my gosh, it's already 50 seconds. Okay. No, this is too hard, honestly. Because I've been, like, not playing for a minute here, and I'm not used to it. So, like, okay. So now there's a new stage. Is this a new stage? Oh, this isn't. Okay, that's the lag in here. Should I go on a new server or something? Because I really want to be careful right now, because yeah, I really want to be careful right now. Wait. Oh my gosh, we fell there. My gosh, that was so embarrassing. Anyways, this is so frustrating. Oh, okay, this is just going to get me mad, honestly. Oh my gosh, why did I not press the jump button? How did I not press the jump button? I literally pressed it. Oh my gosh. Frick. Okay, there. Oh my gosh, why is that jump? I think this is going. I guess I'll try to do it with shift lock. I don't know. Okay, so I'm not going to try to do this with shift lock again. Because how did I miss that jump? That jump was really easy. Oh my gosh. What the? Okay. Oh, what? Okay, I'm going to admit it. I touched that thing, so like, freaking god. God damn it. Okay. Freaking god damn it. Okay, let's go pretty far here so I can see the okay, my son brother's crying. Okay. Oh, you guys are nosy. Okay. Now was pretty okay then. Goodbye, honestly. Honestly, this is pretty. Oh my gosh, I haven't played since like when school was here. I haven't played Roblox since when school was here. So, like, yeah, I've only been playing like different other games. Okay, the log there. Oh, there's some extra time in here. Thank you for that. I really appreciate it. Okay. Oh my gosh. Ooh, oh, what? Anyways, I died. So let's just go in a new server, shall we? So we're here in a new server. Let's try it out then. Okay. Let's try this out again. Bam. I don't know if I'm doing this right. How did I fall? Oh, I was close to it, I guess. 9 minutes. Oh, is that a new thing? Is that a new thing? I'm sorry, I haven't been playing Top 10 recently. Is that like a new? I think it's a new thing, I guess. You can add time. Oh my gosh, I pressed the space button. I don't want to scream right now. So let's just keep quiet from now. Let's see, press the space button. Okay, space button. Oh, okay. Is that like a new thing, right? It's a new thing. Oh, is this a new... Oh my gosh, the lag. Why does this lag get me every time? The lag is honestly trash. I want to quit right now. I don't want to quit as well. Is that something? Is that like a new expression or something? Oh, let's see if they have no facts. Hey, we have millions, like everything, I guess. Yeah. Oh, shitty code. I don't really want to do this right now because I'm nearly crying. I want peace. Okay, so boom. Oh, how did I fall? The third level isn't quite easy, so let's just... The third level isn't quite easy, so a lot of people are not passing it. And it's not easy to pass a level. Hey, how many levels are there again? I did like 1, 2, 3, 4 levels something. I think they 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Shitty goodness. I'm trying my best not to fall here. But I literally fell the first time. So like, will I get through this? Yeah, I think so. Okay. Win. Go, Dougie. Hype me up. Can you hype me up? Okay. Best friend, hype me up. Okay. Shitty goodness. Okay. Okay, that was hard. hey, I almost screamed there. It's so calm right now. Just be calm. I'm definitely not forcing myself to be calm and not trying to scream right now. Okay. I'm totally not forcing myself to be calm. Goodness gracious! Off to a new server, I guess. Okay, let's go. I guess you could call it that. New server, new life. I don't even know if it's a new life or whatever. I actually deleted Roblox and because it was bothering my space. MS one. I think it's long. How many stages are there again? Like a lot of stages, right? Like there's a lot. Oh, don't already, huh? That's great timing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I can't even the ladder. I'm even a great person nowadays. The lag here. Oh, shitty goodness. Okay, don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. You're going to be good now. Now here we go. Boop, boop, boop. Make sure not to fall. I'm making sure myself. I'm making sure that I don't fall here. Cause I'm not hoping to fall. I'm not hoping to fall. Okay. This is a new. I think this is a new thing, I guess you can call it that. Boop, 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 boop. Okay. Boop, boop, boop. Shitty goodness. Okay. Oh no, not this one. This just makes my head hurt. Okay. I got through that one, so let's just go through the. Okay. Thank you very much. I am politely leaving this server. Bye bye.